Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Michael, my wife's name is Faith, and we are the Stalwart lovers. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe before you go. Alright, I wanted to take you on a journey because this is about to be a hell of a ride for me and Lois, who's holding the camera. My wife is chilling, you guys probably know why already. We just got new furniture for we moved, and since we moved, we traveled. We never really had time to do those things, and then now we're trying to set up the place. And ordered all this from Wayfair, and we're about to set it up. So come along. Well, we're gonna make it as brief as possible. So some dining, some sofa, and bar stool for the kitchen island. All right. So this is before. Yes. So before, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. Come along.
Hi guys, I don't think it's going to make the vlog, but I'm Lois. Anyways, I'm gonna show me carrying big stuff because I don't think I can carry stuff. So I'm gonna show you I can carry stuff. Yeah, I'm a big girl.
What's it? Strong this.
Stronger than Uncle Dave. This one is wide.
Been a long time, I've been waiting for you. I got my feelings.
You want the actual instructions or the other rubbish stuff? Step 1. With the assistance of another person, place the table up. Yes, P1 bottom side up and the elevated stuff. Yeah. I was just kind of ignoring her. Not that.
Because of that. Welcome.
As a Nigerian, please help me translate this Nigerian slang to English. What does one chance mean?
We don't know what chances.
Where always says it, I'm just like.
So one chance in Nigeria is
Scam?
not just that, kidnap.
Oh.
So how it happens is, all right, here for time of the big reveal. Ready? We're going like this. Yay! All right, let's go. Lift it up. Your leg. You put it on your leg.
No, I kicked my leg on it.
Oh, sorry.
And it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line. All for you.
Hi guys. So I said that way I am faster at
Are you
setting
sure you're
up.
in a good frame? Move back a little. And speak up.
Hi guys. I said that I am faster at building the chairs because that chair right there was done by me. See Uncle Boo still on the third leg. So we are gonna have a race. Yeah, we are gonna have a race. And once he finally finishes his own.
Hey, God, add to it that I had a call.
You had a call, I had a call too.
What about all the mistakes we made trying to figure out which leg is for what?
But your
I made
mistake.
the worst mistake, so I had to
Exactly
find
now, so is it my fault that you made mistake?
But it doesn't mean you were faster.
I had grace on my side.
Grace, so I need grace back. Wait, did you put two long legs? This one is not standing well.
Oh, my own is standing.
I'm guessing that when I put the screws, maybe they will enter. Because it's not looking like it. It doesn't look
Thumbnail.
thumbnail. Yes.
We are gonna have a competition. Yeah,
First
like I was
to
saying,
finish.
first to finish. I'm gonna wait for him to finish his own.
Look well.
You see when you watch the video.
I'll cut it that way.
Alrighty, guys. I am preparing the busk. It's time.
Let's do this.
Wait. Let's remove all our weapons.
No, remove weapon is part of the.
No, I already said that.
Alright.
Wakanda forever.
Let's go.
Wait, which one is one? Okay.
That was my business with you on this one. Hey. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's move. If you like rush and put it in the wrong place.
I'm not rushing.
Yeah.
Oh, Hold on. As a drone.
The only problem is this chain and how they used to do koto.
Yep.
Winner!
Wait. No, now.
I'm done for real.
Wait.
You want to inspect?
I want to inspect, yes. Let me finish my own first. You will know what is what. How? There's a point where I look at the camera and then you can caption it. This is where she messed up.
Where?
When I was going to say that you were going faster than I was going. I see that. I see love. Done, guys. Okay. If mine doesn't wobble, I won.
Did you work?
Mine doesn't wobble, I won.
Let me see. You work now.
Which one? I walked it. It doesn't wobble. It's
Oh, I thought you said mine doesn't won, but I won.
no. Mine doesn't wobble. I won. I
No,
did it
it's not.
perfectly and on time.
It's not the. Whether
No,
it wobbles.
if you do something and it's not done well.
So why is this one wobbling?
Because that one is shorter and all yours are the same size now. But yours are the same size.
It's not
You did
your fault.
something wrong that is wobbling.
But yeah, come and
Let's
change.
see.
Come and change the lens.
Put it on the. Let's see. if
It's obvious
Does
now.
it wobble? Okay, now it doesn't. But when you put it down, that time
It's
it
still
wobble.
wobbling.
No, it's not wobbling now.
Because I sat on it.
Wait. It's not wobbling. You know how this one, like this?
If it wobbled like this, then the legs are not complete.
No. When this, you don't
Guys,
understand.
I just opposite there. I like making things super
No,
tight.
but I'm telling you that at the time when I should have mentioned it because then it will now. Actually, you can even rewind and see it. Because when you sat on it, it was wobbling a little bit.
When I sat on it, no.
No, not when you sat on it. When you put it down, you shaked it and it was wobbling.
I shook it.
Isn't shake the word?
Not.
Shake is not a word.
No, shake.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Is shaked a word? Shut up, don't believe it.
How can I help?
Is shaked a word? Not shaped.
Shake.
Anyways.
Can't really pick shake.
Well, you shook the chair and it jiggled. But my own doesn't
Man,
jiggle.
I've done jiggle.
Then-
It's fall, and then it's done jiggle. For sure. And then I'll jiggle. What?
Oh god.
But I've done jiggle.
My money don't jiggle. Oh.
This your chest. Bring them. Let me tighten this thing. I don't.
You don't trust.
I don't trust that your hands are tight enough.
Should I stop recording? I won, guys.
No, how did you win?
I won because I did mine well on time.
No, I finished completely.
No,
I'm just intentionally tightening, and I also tighten yours.
No, yours was jiggling when you put it down.
No, that's not the point.
But if you don't do it,
I
yours-
sat on it and then it spreaded. It spreaded the word. Yeah,
No.
probably. That's what happened to this one too. It's not jiggling as much anymore.
No, God, I should have pointed it out then, but I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if I was going to jiggle too.
Your lack of faith is part of the problem. The reason why you lost. Are you still here?
I won.
How did you win?
won.
Don't put
I'm
your
off
head
in the
inside.
camera.
Don't
So
put
I
your head
won.
inside my- Ginger, oh, ginger. Woo! Let's go.
We have finished 1 out of 2 projects.
We didn't even show the dining though when we're done.
Oh, yeah.
We'll show everything
Okay, at the
later.
end. So we are now going
Took
to
a break.
Yeah, we hate
Ate.
food.
Is it we ate or we
We
ate?
hate.
We hate. Ah, God. And you say you are an English what?
I'm a science student.
Okay.
We are now gonna do our couch. Couch is a grey couch. It's supposed to match the dining room. You see?
Hopefully it does.
Hopefully.
So,
Review.
how do you want to do it?
Ah! I love for fun. That's what they call it.
I don't know for you.
Was it? Or was it the covering?
Ah, I'm glad that this thing is not dark grey.
Yeah. Oh, it matches perfectly.
Bring
The
one
pattern is a little bit
just
different, but like the colors,
they are close.
they're close enough.
Ah,
Amazingly close enough.
oh my God, thank you Lord. Literally, it's just like same color, different material. That's the
Yeah.
vibe it's giving me.
Okpe Jesu.
Ọpẹ́ ló yẹ bàbá olóore, ìyìn ló yẹ ọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba, òòṣà ló yẹ ọ́ ẹ ṣé o bàbá. Alright, this should be pretty easy. It's looking like it's now. I've left from you. I will not throw this away.
I'm all for you, all for you. Yeah, I'm all for you, all for you. I'm looking at your light, I'm looking at your light.
Hi guys, my name is Lois. I know how to speak English, Yoruba, French, and
Frank said.
I know how to speak. To all the French people watching, you're wrong.
This is
Follow me
Hard
on YouTube, Lois Ogunadi. That's Lois. Oh my goodness, deja vu. It's either I had a dream that this was going to happen, or it's just deja vu.
you knew.
Lois.I.
You knew you were coming to London.
I know, but like this exact moment, you know when like this exact moment feels like it's already happened before?
I get it.
Yeah. Okay, like I was saying, my name is I don't want
Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀, olúwa ń bẹ pẹ̀lú wa.
Damn, I've been saying this thing for how many years now? Lois.OGUNNUBI.
Yeah, Lois.
Sir? On Instagram, am I lifting up or down?
No, it's gonna be heavy. I'll lift it. You just arrange this.
Oh yeah.
Eh? Oh yeah.
What am I doing
Eh?
here? Wallet. Oh, wallet now.
Both sides. Any come?
No, not.
Lift it up.
Lift it
Move
up.
this one back. Tilt it. Don't fall it. Just tilt it. Oh yeah, now. Are you getting tired? That's a ridiculous question.
Okay.
Make sure it is aligned. Ah.
Yes, so okay, it's not even that's
I'll take it. Yay!
rip me out the plastic, I'll be out the man. I'll be able to deal with it. Okay. Jesus Christ,
Me? You did it.
We did it, guys. Okay. Ready?
Ah! My God!
Oh my god.
Bring the troubles.
Bathrooms back.
Bang.
Sit down. Sit down.
Ah!
This playing serious, yeah.
Ah!
We did it! Wow.
My
What
God.
time is it? Only took us like 5 hours. Over 5 actually.
Technically, we're not done.
I know. Let's do it, guys. Woo!
Ah! My God!
Oh my god.
Ah! Guys, it is well.
Just trying to make it right, but I can't breathe. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you, I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line. All for you, I'm all for you.
Ah, did it. Thank you. Alright, let's pack up. That's the last part. Then we can record that too.
Let's have people to come and do that one.
Sister babe, come and pack.
I don't did there.
Guys, we are done.
We have done. We have done it. He has done for me. When I'm tired, I get delirious.
It's so late, but
It is precisely 10:27.
10:27,
When did we started?
like maybe 5:27. Ah, thank you, Lois.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I've invested in this house.
Because I don't know how I'll have done this alone.
Just 5 hours, Barry.
5 hours, Barry, with two
Barry.
people.
Yeah.
It's not easy. Anyway,
That's all. Wait, let's show them the bosses.
yeah. Oh, we still have like boxes to throw away. You see the ring light there. Anyway, by the time we move this away, we'll show you again. I'm sure it's going to be looking beautiful. But I'm loving the couch already.
yawn.
Well,
Guys, how many times did I yawn in this vlog?
sorry, they're not counting.
They should count. Go back and count.
The oil on my face is enough to fry akara.
Me too. Both of us doing with five bones.
Ah, they spin all over my body, man.
We're paying.
And sometimes it's good to be pregnant. So sister me just did upstairs, just lying down. She'll now come downstairs and say, "Ah, you guys, well done." Ah, God, do it is well. All right, let's unpack. Let's pack these boxes to the basement, and we are good.
Hi guys, so we're done. It is 12:20. We have done. Kubu is tired. I'm gonna show you guys everything we have done. Okay. So This is the dining table, as done by Uncle Boo and Lois. Got our island chairs, or bar stools, as some people like to call them. And then this lovely couch.
Oh my god.
See how this gray is green with the gray. Gray. Yeah. Yeah. Love it.
Hey, so guys, thank you for watching. Sister B is sleeping. In fact, she was sleeping throughout. Well, no, not throughout. Since we got back from church, she went upstairs. She wasn't feeling well at all. The drive from church turned her head, and she literally went to vomit. And we just got her food. So myself and Lois, we've set up the place, and I thought she was gonna be able to come see what we've done, but she's sleeping. So tomorrow morning, hopefully, I'm able to capture her reaction when she comes downstairs and just sees all that we've done. And I hope she's impressed because back they pay me. Lois, are you not tired? Back they pay me. But yeah, Lois, thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping out. This is a lot.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you so much for real. So tomorrow we're going to bed now, and hopefully I capture my wife's reaction tomorrow. And yeah, that is it, guys. I'll show you that tomorrow, and then I say thanks for coming along. House is looking, more like it gradually because now we're having small time to begin to do some of these things. All right, bye. Hey, Sister Babe. Good morning. Are you ready to see all our hard work? I say, yesterday was the only time I felt like I wish I was pregnant. I'm serious. You people are enjoying. Oh yeah?
I mean, I was suffering yesterday. I was in.
I know, I'm just joking.
Good. Wow.
This is our house.
Wow. Nice. What can I explain? I'm grateful. I'm serious. I'm so grateful. Like, nobody could have helped me.
No, Lois is a darling.
Wow. This is
We slept 12:30. That's how tired
so rich.
and how hard we worked yesterday.
This is just perfect, actually.
Yeah. But this one, I'll sue them. The legs are not.
No, I hate it.
You hit it at me. One of them is doing bonk, 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 bonk. One of the legs were short. But when you sit on it, you don't feel it. Guys, this is our house now. This is beautiful, isn't it? And the bar stool is just perfect as too, from what I see, because it have been too much.
I think we can still put.
It will be too busy.
It will be too busy.
Let's ignore it, yes. If we need to film from there, we'll use the bar stool or one of these chairs. You get?
I just saw someone put this ottoman.
In fact, I put it here so you can see it like this. You can actually move it. Or let's see if I move it.
Oh, don't worry, I'll just see.
No. You have to turn it, yes. Yes, so you just sit down. Test the texture now. And I think that we'll just stick to this blue color as the accent. That peach accent, I don't think it will be good again. The house is fine like this. We'll just accessorize it with that blue. Like, what's that? The blue. Is it, what do you call it? Yes, this as a yawn. Yeah, all right. Babe, tell everybody bye bye. Wrap up the video.
Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you did. See guys, I was not there, so if you want to appreciate them, you have to make sure you like this video with energy and share it. Tell them you love them. Tell them thank you, especially Lois. I know Uncle Boo, he has his accolades all wrapped up inside everything.
No, please give me accolades.
Please thank Uncle Boo and Lois.
The backache yesterday was
me,
crazy.
They really did a good job. Please make sure you comment on this video, make sure you share it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. give it a like, and follow us on all our other social media accounts.
And I give them baby bump for bye bye. Love you. When now I see that I'm like,
Oh my God. Until you come your way again, keep loving and keep believing.
we are the soul lovers.
Bye.